The word already helps us talk about things that have happened before now. It is very common and important in everyday English. Already means something has happened before now, or earlier than expected. It shows that the action is complete or has started. Many learners confuse already with yet. Remember, already is used in positive sentences and questions, not usually in negative ones. Already is often used with present perfect tense, I have already eaten. It can appear after the subject or before the main verb. She has already left. Are you already home? I already finished my homework. We don't need to wait, they already arrived. Maria thought she was late, but her friend said, I already saved you a seat. It showed Maria was early, before she expected. Think of the clock counting time fast. Already tells you something happened before now, faster than you thought. Remember, already means before now. Use it to talk about things done earlier. Try making your own sentences with already.